Hello Gummy Bears, today I'm going to show you how to draw, how to sketch and shade a frog. This drawing took me around 30 minutes and I believe that carving out some time out of each day to spend on something relaxing or learning something new is very important. So I hope you'll enjoy your time spent here and let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is slightly mark with straight lines the outline of the frog. In this part, I'm looking at my reference picture and at my drawing back and forth, trying my best to accurately mirror each line's length and angle. You really shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes here. If something feels off, just erase it and try again. There is no pressure to get everything right at the first try. This part of the drawing will be the foundation we will be building the entire drawing on top of, so take as much time as you need, but also remember that we are here to relax, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Especially when you're just learning, progress takes time and being too hard on yourself will only discourage you. Once this part is over, we will draw the actual outline. This time we'll use longer, smoother lines. We will press the pencil a little bit harder to the paper so the line is more visible, but don't press so hard that your hand won't be able to move smoothly on paper. We don't want to give ourselves any hand cramps. This is also a great time to mark the more visible shadows and bigger dark elements like the eyes. Now we will work on the darkest elements starting with the eyes. I'm leaving two rectangular shapes wrapping around the circular shape on each eye to create a highlight effect. Those two shapes will be lighter and the rest of the eye will be filled with darker color. After that, I'm starting to take care of the rest of the shadows. Our light source is somewhere out here, and so the easiest way to think about shadow placement is to ask yourself, is this plane facing the light source? If not, it isn't the shadow. The more the plane is facing away, the darker it will be. The parts where two elements are close to each other will be the darkest. Here it will be those nooks around the frog's limbs, so in the crook of the elbow where the legs are attached to the rest of the body. At the end, I'll clean up the edges with a precise eraser and we're done. And don't forget to date and sign your work at the end. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you again. Have an amazing day. Bye!